Imagine this. You're scrolling on your phone. You see Apple, Tesla, Amazon brands you use every single day, and someone tells you you can actually own a tiny piece of those companies. Not rent them, not borrow them, own them. That's exactly what a stock is. A stock is simply a share of ownership in a company, and when you buy one, you become a partial owner of that business. No matter how small your piece is, if a company is divided into 1,000,000 shares and you own 1/1,000,000th of that company. That might sound tiny, but those tiny pieces can grow in value, pay you money, and even give you a voice in how the company is run. Companies sell stocks to raise money so they can grow, hire people, build products, and expand. And investors buy stocks hoping the company will become more valuable over time. When a private company decides to sell its shares to the public for the first time, that's called an IPO, or initial public offering. And from that moment on, anyone can buy and sell those shares on the stock market. Now here's where it gets interesting. The price of a stock changes constantly, not because of magic, but because of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. That's it. No mystery. These price movements are influenced by things like company earnings, new products, news headlines, the economy, interest rates, and even investor emotions like fear and excitement. Some stocks also pay dividends, which are small cash payments companies give to shareholders as a reward for owning their stock, kind of like getting paid just for holding on to a piece of the business. Other stocks don't pay dividends, but instead focus on growing fast, reinvesting profits to become bigger and more valuable in the future. As a shareholder, you might also get voting rights, meaning you can vote on certain company decisions like choosing board members. Although most everyday investors don't actively use this, a lot of beginners think stocks are just numbers moving up and down on a screen. But in reality, every stock represents a real business with real employees, real products, real customers, and real profits or losses. When you invest in a stock, you're betting on that company's future. You're saying, I believe this business will be more valuable years from now than it is today. But it's important to understand that stocks are not guaranteed money. Prices can drop, companies can fail, and markets can crash. That's why learning what a stock truly is ownership, risk, reward, and long-term thinking is the foundation of smart investing. So the next time you hear someone say, I bought a stock, remember? They didn't just buy a random ticker symbol, they bought a tiny piece of a real company, with real potential and real risk. And that's what makes the stock market so powerful and so misunderstood at the same time. And just a quick note before we wrap up. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research or talk to a qualified professional before making any investment decisions.